Welcome to Freedom Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you a video about 3 flash indicator. The 3 flash indicator will help you to just give a tap on your control indicator. It will flash 3 times whether you are turning left or right. Okay, without further ado, let me show you how to set up this 3 flash indicator in the Mazda infotainment control. Just go to the setup over here and then scroll down to the right and go to vehicle. Under vehicle, you go to turn right below, and then you can see the first line over there is 3 flash indicator. Uncheck, you will need to check it. Alright, you are done on the control setup. So in this later I was going to show you how this indicator will help you without flashing continuously. It will flash 3 times. Okay, let me show you later on. Now I'm going to give a tap on signaling to the right. Okay, I'm going to do that again before I make a right turn. I give a tap on the right hand side. There you go.